Letter E. The pronunciation for short E is as in edge, echo, eddy, Notice when we did the A sound, you drop your jaw quite far. Jaw comes up a little bit with Difficult sounds for kids to differentiate. Have them watch your mouth and mimic what you do. The letter E is a vibrating sound. It is also a longer sound that can be held out. Same with the long sound, which is E. Letter E makes a few different sounds. Those will be talked about later because they're special. So in the meantime, and E are the sounds for the letter E.